Hi, I'm Kelly Holmes. We're here in 2009 for Graphics of the Americas in Miami Beach. We're getting ready to take a tour for quick and small commercial printers, and thank you for joining us. Hello, I'm here at Graphics of the Americas Trade Show 2009 speaking with George Ryan. Hello, George.
Hi, Kelly. How are you?
George, can you tell me about some of the quick and small commercial printing products and conference issues that you have going on here at the trade show?
Well, what we did different this year is we are delivering an educational program that focuses on our members, which is primarily small to medium-sized printers. We do have large printers, but the bulk of our membership is small to medium. So we've designed a series of programs that help these printers evaluate technology and then incorporate it into their business. It's supported by a lot of the exhibitors here who basically are focusing on the shops 20 and below, 50 and below, and so there's a lot of products relating to that. There's a new eco-friendly plate that's totally green that's on the floor, and there's also some entry-level digital products. All of the major vendors are here with those. They don't have the high-end machines, although there's some here. Basically, they have the entry-level, the 40, 50, 60, 70 page per minute digital machines. We also have 20-inch size presses as well as 28-inch size presses as far as offset presses. We don't have any 40-inch presses here, but then again, that's where we focus as far as this show goes. So we believe this show really serves the small and medium printers. And again, as I say, that's our members. And we've got a good crowd so far, Kelly. And thanks for coming.
Sure. Can you tell me a little bit about the Printing Association of Florida and some of the things that you have changed since taking over?
Well, the Printing Association of Florida has 450 members. And one of the things that we've been very aggressive on is going out, talking to our members, finding out what their pain is. I'll give you an example. A lot of when I went around the first time that I visited the members, they told me they were having to promote people, pressmen, to be supervisors, and nobody had experience in supervision. So we developed a program, took it around the state, teaching new supervisors how to work in a press room. Very interesting program. We're actually running that program here at the show, and we've got about 15 people in it. But it's a great program because people who don't know how to supervise really tend to abuse their subordinates, and that's what we're trying to do is make them be very supportive and a nice relationship. Other things that we've done is we've published guides for the printers. One of the guides that we have is a guide for budgeted hourly rates, okay? And basically that's aimed at the small to medium printer. What we did is we surveyed our printers, found out what the pay rate was, and then we calculated using costs provided from manufacturers, the actual budgeted hourly rate for a whole series of equipment that you'd find in a factory. Very popular with our members. And another thing that we've done is we produced a guide, a buyer's guide, that we give to designers, print buyers, etc., like that, for our membership. And it has samples of printing, etc. So we're trying to promote our members to buyers and things like that. It's been very successful. We have those guides here at the show, and they're going like hotcakes.
And is that a benefit of membership for the Printing Association?
It's about, if you're a member of the Printing Association, you're in that guide, and we're going to promote you and to all these print buyers. And by the way, there's a lot of print buyers in Florida. We also are promoting outside of Florida through our affiliation with Aquent Graphics Institute, and Aquent, which is a career guide for designers, or a career placement center for designers. And we're working with them. They are actually running a series of programs here. And again, we're trying to promote our printers to those print buyers and those designers. It's a great program. We're really happy to be a part of it.
Right. And George, I know you probably hear from your membership on some of the economy concerns about what's happening right now. Can you share some of those concerns with us that you're hearing from your printing membership?
Well, in sections of the state, it's very difficult. Okay, in Florida, in particular, we're hurt by the financial, the automobile, and the real estate. And there was a lot of printing done with that. Now also tourism is down, although they're not cutting back so much on printing in that. So overall, what you hear is people are struggling, okay, but they're able to hold their own a little bit. Nobody's making a lot of money, but they're doing okay. They'd like to see it a lot better. So would I. And well, I don't know if we see, the rainbow around the corner yet. Maybe in another couple of months.
Well, that's why we have shows like Graphics of the Americas to help us get through these times, and we appreciate speaking with you today, George. Thank you.
Thank you, Kelly. Thanks for coming.